The XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT is a very underrated card. It often gets overshadowed by the likes of the RX 7900 GRE or Nvidia's RTX 4070, but it's an excellent option if you don't want to spend so much on those cards. It delivers fantastic 1440p performance, has plenty of VRAM, and XFX has done a great job of making a simplistic design look so premium. Compared to its predecessor, the QICK 319 6800 XT, this iteration refines both form and function. While the 6800 XT offers solid 1440p performance, the 7800 XT version introduces a revamped triple-fan cooling system with 13-blade fans, enhancing airflow and longevity. XFX has also streamlined the design, swapping the angular accents of the older model for subtle curves and a uniform all-black PCB. Design-wise, this GPU strikes a balance between practicality and style. The XFX and Radeon logos light up at the front, providing a soft glow on the inside of your case. On top of that, the reinforced backplate adds structural rigidity and aids in heat dissipation. The card's triple-fan setup might seem overkill for a dual-slot design, but it ensures quieter operation and better thermal headroom. That said, the larger footprint does make it hard to fit in some micro ATX cases. XFX has also included a dual BIOS switch, so you can quickly switch to a secondary BIOS if things go wrong while overclocking. This allows you to make a backup of your BIOS and experiment freely when pushing the card to its limit. The specs of this XFX variant mirror the reference version with a 2430 MHz boost clock, 16GB of GDDR6 memory, and a 263-watt TDP. Also, it's using an 8-phase design for the GFX core here, meaning you get stable performance at stock settings with plenty of headroom for overclocking. Performance is where this card truly shines. The 16GB of VRAM can handle 1440p gaming in titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Delta Force, and Horizon Zero Dawn, delivering 80 to 120 FPS at high to ultra settings. AMD's FSR 3.0 further boosts frame rates in demanding games, narrowing the gap with pricier Nvidia counterparts. While the RX 7800 XT isn't marketed as a 4K card, it manages a respectable 60 FPS in lighter titles thanks to its generous memory buffer. Thermals are also a highlight. Its triple fan array and optimized heatsink keep temperatures under or around 72 degrees Celsius in demanding sessions, and noise levels never get annoying. It's a remarkable improvement over its predecessor, which ran a bit hotter and louder. The closest alternative to this card is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070. While the 4070 has interesting features like DLSS and respectable ray tracing performance, the value is worse than the 7800 XT. The AMD card has more VRAM, better raw performance in select titles, more overclocking headroom, and a lower price. It would be a different story if both cards had the same price. As long as the 7800 XT is cheaper, it's a better value for older CPUs like the Ryzen 7 5700X. At the end of the day, the Speedster 7800 XT is a high-performance graphics card without the ridiculous price tag. For most gamers, this is all you need for an enjoyable high refresh rate experience at 1440p. Alongside the great performance, you also get a sleek design, low temperatures, and advanced features like a dual BIOS switch. To sum up, what I like is the dual BIOS switch, the 3 fans in a dual slot design, the understated and stealthy appearance, and the fantastic thermal performance. On the downside, it's hard to fit in some micro ATX cases. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.